Hello and a very warm welcome to everybody. Today we're going to talk about something which is really important and the key question in minds of everybody. How diversity will play a role in the new economy. The resurrected buzzword of recent time is the new economy or future economy. We've already spoken about what it entails and how it's a big deal. What makes it progressive is that it's people-centric and not organization-centric. Knowledge workers make the world of the new economy go around. It's the relationship between the knowledge worker and their manager that is mutually beneficial. The employee brings in integrity, determination, vision and authenticity, while the manager does their best to curb productivity killers and fear. By doing this, trust can be fostered to create new knowledge and a ripple effect can be created. It's actually about bringing old-fashioned values to the forefront of management and work. So it just may be possible to teach an old dog new tricks. And with information being the raw material, the status quo is appended and changed. Restructuring of capitalism when it comes to environmental, social and sustainable goals is gradually being accepted by investors, but it's also not necessarily fully embraced en masse. Those who are resisting the future economy are inadvertently slowing down social change and sustaining economic inequality, which disproportionately hurts younger folks and women. Keep in mind that the way business is done is changing, with the level of upskilling to be adopted by the masses becoming necessary to not just survive but thrive. The word digital is also embedded in the future economy. After all, the internet has continued to disrupt and upend the status quo, so the players must also adapt and evolve. Workplace diversity is also improving to become a business imperative at a time when there is an underrepresentation of females at a C-suite level. And so diversity is a valuable asset that plays a huge role in the future economy, because if the knowledge workers in the new economy are diverse, they can use their individual experiences to amalgamate a rich experience for the economy. When the marketplace is global, robust cultural sensitivity is a must to better understand customers. Broad and diverse perspectives can fuel innovation, which is the lifeblood of the future economy. Because unique ideas provide unique solutions, you cannot dispute that more women in the workplace cannot be beneficial and would in fact ameliorate the company's financial performance. Because there's enough research to show that diversity would bring on more creativity, profitability, more robust governance and a better ability to solve problems. In fact, a BCG study that I would like to quote here learned that diverse enterprises have about 20% more revenue. Another estimate showed that closing the gender gap would actually inject about $30 trillion into the global economy by 2025. Now, business success is assured by the right kind of diversity. Those organizations that promote diversity are more resilient and successful than companies that don't invest in diversity. Engendering change is the way to go, not just as a greenwash initiative or an empty metric, but to grow the enterprise, have more successful revenue generation, better your bottom line, and a surefire way to have a blueprint for company success. The future economy is shaped by globalization and technological innovation. It needs diversity to be its fabric. Embracing all kinds of it is instrumental in the new economy, fostering empathy and creativity like never before. Diversity can be unleashed through smart orchestration and nurturing. The new economy needs its players engaged and vocal to propagate diversity to advance themselves. All of this also has to shape the values of the women of tomorrow. That is extremely important. The new economy helps make women part of the solution. The future economy, as the name suggests, is not just in the future, it is now. Time to make everyone part of it.